Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Apple ID signed in and iPhone updated. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. This verifies your Apple ID is active. Once done, select iCloud to view services. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on so changes sync immediately. If Face ID or Touch ID is available, enable it now to secure quick autofill access. These checks prevent interruptions when you enable Icloud Keychain in the next step. Tap Passwords and Keychain under iCloud to start enabling Keychain. You'll see a toggle, turn iCloud Keychain on, and the system will ask for authentication. Use your iPhone passcode or verify via a trusted device or phone number. This step links devices securely. This two-factor approval ensures only you can add or view saved passwords. Make sure to read the brief prompts about sync and recovery. They explain how passwords move across your Apple ecosystem when Keychain is active. After enabling, verify by opening Settings Passwords. You should see saved logins and the Keychain status as enabled. If passwords don't appear immediately, give the service a few minutes to sync and check other Apple devices under iCloud settings to confirm they're linked. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID or toggle iCloud Keychain off and on, then restart the phone. This often forces a fresh sync and resolves most hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.